Hi everybody, it is day 20. Sorry yesterday I messed up the number, but it's day 20 today. The ornament I decided to make is a gift box. So here is the example. And here's what I made. So, we'll turn down. But yeah, that's it. I think it's really cute. The song, I keep saying I'm gonna move the stuff around so I have more room, but I have not done so yet. Okay, so my song suggestion is Rocking Around a Christmas Tree because you hear that in every store, radio, everywhere. It's just a fun song, rhymes with Mean Girls, all that stuff. And the movie suggestion is Jingle All The Way, which is hilarious. A father who's trying to get a toy for his son and all the antics, hijinks, all that stuff. And Sinbad is hilarious. So watch that movie. So yeah, let's go to, we're going to do the candy first. So day 20. Oh, I feel so much lighter. Where's day 20? I have on glasses and I still can't see. Oh, the bottom of the train right here. I feel like this is going to be egg. Just in the shape of this. Yep. Egg. All right. And the plant may not survive till Christmas. I hope it does. All right. So day 20. It's a smaller box. See what we got. This is what the little box looks like. I've always wondered how these things work. But yeah, I think this is a stitch counter. I've always been tempted to buy it, but never bought one. So, yeah. And I'm going to read it, but I'm pretty sure it's a stitch counter. Yep, row counter. Slides easily onto knitting pin sizes 2.5 to 5 millimeter. And it's perfect to track the number of rows knitted. I mean, this does come in handy, especially if you're following a pattern and you can't remember if you're on row 10 and you counting up and down. Sometimes it's annoying. So, yeah, it might come in handy. So that is today. We only have a couple more days left. I hope you guys been enjoying this, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.